Assertion: meiosis produces 4 genetically dissimilar cells. Reason: crossing over or gene exchange takes place in meiosis. Assertion: in mitotic metaphase, morphology of chromosomes can most easily study. Reason: condensation of chromosomes is completed in this stage. Right. Assertion: cell growth results into division. Reason: cell growth leads to change in nucleocytoplasmic. Right. Assertion: during Paquetan crossing over takes place which is dependent on recombinase. Reason: recombinase is the group of enzymes involved in crossing over, and crossing over is an enzyme dependent. Right. Assertion: colchicine is a mitotic poison. Reason: colchicine interferes in the arrangement of spindle fibers. Right.